झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में, झुमका गिरा रे. The popular actress Sadhana made the city Bareilly known to most of us. So, what makes the city special for us? The infrastructure, or how developed it is, or the natural sights? None. It is the special memories attached we have to that city which makes it special for us. My husband and his entire khandan, they belong to Bareilly. Though most of his family elders and my family elders, they have originally migrated from Pakistan. My husband and his cousins, they were born and brought up in Bareilly, while their elders, they spent their youth to middle age in Bareilly. Later on, they all moved to different parts of the country and the world, like America, Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, Spain, pata nahi kahan kahan. And some of us are here in Hyderabad. But no matter which part of the world they live, they all have a really special bond with Bareilly. And every time they meet, they never fail to talk about the episodes of Bareilly, mainly their childhood memories. So it was like this. There was a few families and they all lived together in one lane with adjoining houses. Okay, like different families yet all one. And they did everything together, like studying, working, playing, celebrating festivals, sab kuch together. And the entire lane would be always full of hustle bustle and activities because of these children. So, today, no matter how far they live from each other, all of the cousins, they still, have this strange attachment, bond or a link with each other because of the common memories that they have. Okay, so yesterday we had this get together in one of the cousins' house, get together of all the cousins with their families. And like every time, even yesterday, they went down the memory lane. And every time they talk about these Bareilly episodes, the joy on their face is really like incomparable. And when we hear that, they describe it like it's so real that we feel like we are a part of it. So yesterday it started like with their games that they played during childhood, like gilli danda, kabaddi, satoliya, and pakadam pakdi, छुपा छुपी, that पता नहीं क्या क्या, मतलब वो जो है ना, वो आजकल के बच्चों ने तो उनको वो नाम भी पता नहीं होंगे कि वो सब क्या होता है. और then when there was this kite festival, तो एक महीना पहले एंड शायद एक महीना बाद तक वो लोग हमेशा छत पे पतंग उड़ाते थे. एंड लाइक पतंगबाजी, इसकी छत उसकी छत, इधर कूदना उधर कूदना. एंड जब होली होती थी तो 8-10 दिन पहले से they would start playing होली drenched in water and पक्का कलर्स एवरी डे. जब दिवाली होती थी तो महीना भर वहाँ पे फटाके फोड़े जाते थे. एंड बताते हैं, दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग टू हियर. 10 पैसा, 20 पैसा, 4 आना, 8 आना, 12 आना, 1 रुपी मैक्सिमम, दुनिया की सारी खुशियाँ खरीदी जाती थी. लाइक सम बैद जी का समोसा, किसी की चाय, किसी की इमरती, किसी की रबड़ी, किसी की चाट, पता नहीं क्या क्या. एंड सो ओके, एंड वहाँ के जो एल्डर्स होते हैं, they would like commonly cook for happy and sad occasions and eat together, all of them. So जिसको हम आजकल पॉटलक बोलते हैं, जो हम फ्रेंड्स के साथ करते हैं, बिकॉज अभी हमारी इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फैमिलीज साथ नहीं होती हैं. So yesterday also it was a potluck and I had made chole, somebody made dahi vadas, एक डिश मेरे लिए, एक डिश फैमिली के लिए. How sweet, isn't it? And there was this aloo 65, paneer tikka and several things. And for desserts we had rabdi, gulab jamun, ice cream. बाय द वे आई हैव नेवर बीन टू बरेली पर्सनली, मगर मैंने वहाँ की है ना नारियल की बर्फ़ी ज़रूर खाई है और कई बार खाई है। एंड बिलीव मी, इट इज़ आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड। यू मस्ट ट्राई इफ़ यू गेट अ चांस. So which city holds special memories for you? Would you like to tell me?